Take a leap of faith with Hair Luminance and embrace the unknown. Let its mysterious charm lead you on a journey towards hair transformation, where every page holds the key to unlocking your hair's true potential. With Hair Luminance by your side, the possibilities for your hair are endless. With Hair Luminance as your companion, your hair will become a reflection of your courage and determination. Let Hair Luminance be your guiding light on this transformative journey, and let each page bring you closer to the hair of your dreams. Believe in the magic of Hair Luminance, and let your hair become a symbol of your inner beauty. Experience the transformation firsthand and let Hair Luminance unlock the potential within your hair. Embrace the enigmatic allure of Hair Luminance and witness the miraculous effects unfold. Say goodbye to hair loss woes as you delve into its pages, where secrets lie waiting to be revealed. Join the ranks of those who have discovered the transformative power of Hair Luminance and embrace a future filled with limitless possibilities.